We'll guide you through how to add UIKit in Adobe XD. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Choose Adobe XD on your PC and double-click Adobe XD to open the application on your system and load the workspace. Go to the top menu and click File to access the main program commands and file options. Select Get UI Kits from the drop-down menu to display the available interface resources. Choose the platform UI kit you need according to the device or operating system you are designing for. Wait for Adobe XD to download the selected UI kit completely before attempting to open it. Open the downloaded UI kit file in Adobe XD after the download process finishes successfully. Review the artboards and components inside the UI kit file to understand layout structures, spacing, and available interface elements. Copy the UI elements you want to use by selecting them carefully from the appropriate artboards. Return to your main project file where your current design layout is already in progress. Paste the copied UI elements onto your artboard within the main project file workspace. Resize the elements to fit your layout and match the proportions of your overall design. Modify colors and text as needed so the elements align with your project content and branding style. Ungroup elements if customization is required for adjusting individual shapes, icons, or text layers. Convert repeated elements into components if needed to ensure design consistency across multiple screens. Save frequently to avoid losing changes while working on the project for extended periods. Use the Assets panel to manage colors and character styles in an organized and consistent manner. Combine UI kit elements with your own design components to build the complete interface layout. Align elements using smart guides to maintain clean spacing and proper visual structure. Preview the layout using Desktop Preview to review appearance, spacing, interaction flow, and screen behavior.